Have you ever stopped to think about what's really out there in the darkness of space? For decades, scientists have been listening, hoping to hear something that proves we're not alone. But sometimes, what they actually pick up is so strange, so unexplainable, that it sends chills down their spine. These are the most terrifying signals ever received from space, mysterious sounds and messages that still have no clear explanation. In 2007, astronomers discovered something new: short, intense bursts of radio waves from galaxies millions of light years away. These bursts last only a few milliseconds, but in that tiny moment, they release more energy than the sun does in a week. They're called fast radio bursts, or FRBS, and they've become one of astronomy's biggest puzzles. Some are one-time flashes, but others repeat, coming from the same spot in space over and over, almost like a coded message. In 2020, scientists traced one repeating FRB to a type of neutron star called a magnetar. But even that doesn't explain all of them. Some fast radio bursts seem too regular, too precise, almost like a transmission pattern. One, called FRB121102, repeats every 157 days, as if something is deliberately sending it. Are these just natural cosmic phenomena, or are they signals from a distant civilization trying to reach us? No one knows, and that's what makes them so terrifying. In 2011, astronomers were shocked when they found something pulsing deep in space, a steady, rhythmic beat coming from near a black hole. It repeated like a heartbeat, sending signals every few hours. Scientists called it a quasi-periodic oscillation, but they couldn't explain why it was so regular. Was it gas swirling around the black hole in a perfect rhythm, or was something else, something artificial behind it? Even after studying it for years, the exact cause remains unknown. The idea of a heartbeat coming from one of the darkest, deadliest places in the universe is enough to make anyone uneasy. Now, not all mysterious signals come from space. Some come from the deepest parts of Earth's oceans. In 1997, scientists from NOAA recorded a massive underwater sound in the Pacific Ocean. It was so loud, it was picked up by microphones 3,000 miles apart. They called it the bloop. The sound didn't match any known whale, submarine, or geological event. For years, conspiracy theories exploded. Some said it was a sea monster. Others thought it was an alien signal coming from under the sea. Eventually, scientists suggested it might have been an iceberg breaking apart, but not everyone is convinced. Even if it was, the sheer power of that sound means something enormous was moving in the deep, something we've never seen. In 2006, NASA's Arcade instrument detected a radio signal that shocked everyone. It wasn't from any star or galaxy, it was a constant roar, 6 times louder than anything scientists had ever expected from the known universe. The space roar, as it's called, fills the sky with background noise that shouldn't exist. Astronomers still can't explain where it's coming from. It's as if something enormous, something invisible, is flooding the universe with radio energy. Some suggest it's coming from early galaxies, while others whisper darker theories that it's a signature of something intelligent, broadcasting across the cosmos. Whatever it is, the universe is a lot noisier and stranger than we ever imagined. When scientists first discovered pulsars in 1967, they didn't know what they were. A pulsar is a rapidly spinning neutron star that emits beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. But back then, the first signals were so regular and so perfect that scientists thought they might be alien transmissions. They called it LGM-1, short for Little Green Men. The pattern was so exact that it looked like someone was sending Morse code across space. Eventually, they learned what pulsars were, but for months, the world thought we had made contact with extraterrestrial life. Imagine the fear and excitement of hearing a perfectly timed signal, pulsing from the dark with no idea what it was. In 2003, the SETI program detected a signal coming from a starless region of space, an empty patch with no planets, no galaxies, and no known sources. The signal repeated at a consistent frequency of 1,420 megahertz, the same frequency scientists use to search for alien messages because it's linked to hydrogen, the most common element in the universe. It appeared several times, always from the same spot, but every time researchers tried to study it, it disappeared. No telescope has detected it since. If it was artificial, it would mean someone or something out there knew exactly how to reach us, using a frequency we were already listening to. And then, for reasons we'll never understand, they went silent. In 2015, astronomers found a strange whistle coming from space, a quick rising sound detected by NASA's Juno spacecraft. It came from Jupiter's magnetosphere, but the frequency and pitch didn't match any known pattern. The sound was so eerie, it literally sounded like something alive. Scientists later said it was probably caused by plasma waves, but the exact mechanics are still debated. When you listen to the recording, it doesn't sound like nature. It sounds like something calling through the void. In 2020, astronomers detected something incredible, a narrowband radio signal from Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system. It was named BLC-1, and it came from a region where an Earth-like planet orbits the star. The signal lasted for hours, and it didn't match any human-made source. For months, scientists studied it in secret, trying to confirm what it was. When the news finally leaked, people thought it might be proof of aliens just 4.2 light years away. Later, they suspected it could have been interference, but no one has been able to recreate or identify the exact signal since. It's still one of the most intriguing finds in recent years, a whisper from our nearest cosmic neighbor. In 1977, astronomer Jerry Ehman was scanning the skies using a giant radio telescope in Ohio. Suddenly, a powerful signal appeared on the computer screen, a narrowband transmission coming from deep space, lasting exactly 72 seconds. It wasn't background noise, it wasn't a satellite, and it wasn't any known natural source. It was structured like a deliberate transmission. Ehman was so shocked that he circled the data and wrote one word beside it: wow. The signal came from the constellation Sagittarius, near the center of our galaxy. Scientists searched the same spot again and again, but it was never heard again. Even today, no one knows who or what sent it. Some believe it was aliens trying to make contact, while others say it was a one-time cosmic event. Whatever it was, it remains the closest we've ever come to hearing a voice from the stars. From strange radio bursts to eerie cosmic heartbeats, these signals remind us how mysterious our universe really is. For all our technology, for all our satellites and telescopes, space remains mostly silent, except for these rare moments when something speaks back. Maybe these signals are just natural events we don't fully understand yet, or maybe, just maybe, they're the universe's way of telling us we're not as alone as we think. So what do you believe? Are these signals random noise, or proof that someone or something is out there watching us? Tell me what you think in the comments. And if you love exploring the strange, the unexplained, and the mysterious, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another story here on Water Lemon. Because out there, in the endless dark of space, something might just be calling back.